I know those cold temperatures are coming. We are not looking for that four-letter word snow, but it's coming at least through most of the country. We are going to be talking about getting your car ready. October is Fall Car Care Month. Stay right with us. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix, and this is 4 Minute Friday, and here's what's going on in your automotive world. This week's show is brought to you by Hertz. Hertz.com is partnering with Hendrick Motorsport. They're giving away a custom 2020 Camaro SS. Yeah, you can actually rent the Camaro SS or the ZL1, which I think I need to rent. The sweepstakes runs till November 15th. It includes a VIP trip to Charlotte Motor Speedway. Unique driving experience. Hertz.com/Camaro sweepstakes. Let's get into the show. All right, today we're going to talk about what you need to do so that you're not stuck on the side of the road. First thing you want to do is check your oil. And if you haven't done that in a long time, you'll find that some cars don't even have dipsticks anymore. But you know I've got old cars, but no matter what you're driving, because the average car on the road is 12 years old, you got to change your oil, check your owner's manual. You got to plug in, you got a hybrid, whatever it might be. Remember that you want to use full synthetic. It says so in your owner's manual, and you're probably going to have to do so anyhow. I recommend the Quaker State Ultimate Durability Full Synthetic Oil. You're going to get your best performance, best lubrication, and you'll be very thrilled that you used it. You can go to Pep Boys and buy these things as jugs. It's so much easier than it used to be, and they'll also take your old oil. If you don't want to do it yourself, find your favorite technician and tell them that you want to use the Quaker State. 80% of your driving decisions are based on visibility, so check your headlights. If they're out, replace them. It's pretty simple. If you need new wiper blades, you can go to any Pep Boys store and pick them up. Bosch has the Icon wiper blade. They say they're quieter performance. So we're going to put a set on and we're going to give them a test and let you know. Inspect them, replace them every 6 months. Don't be the person that's driving around with this. I collect old wiper blades just to show you that people still drive around with wiper blades that are damaged. Also, don't forget to replace your cabin air filter. You breathe that air, you still smell chicken wings and pizza that you brought home, or it smells moldy. Why? Is because the cabin air filter wasn't replaced. You can get a HEPA filter, really easy to get. The nice thing about the HEPA filter is it actually will filter through all 99% efficiency. So replace that. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, that's fine. I try to help you guys save some money. You can go to any Pep Boys store. There's about 900 stores nationwide, open 7 days a week, and they'll do all your fluid checks. They'll replace your wiper blades. They'll replace your cabin air filter. They can do your oil change. They can prep your car for the winter. It's a good thing to find a Pep Boys and do it for you. And I'm ASE certified, but they have master tech. So I've been outranked, which is okay. So anything from batteries to brakes, whether you do it yourself or you want to have them do it, they've got what you need. So check that out. I did have a flat tire, and I think I mentioned that in a previous episode. And one thing that really ticked me off was that there's no road hazard warranty on some of these low profile tires. So I started doing some research on tires and found this really cool tire I got to show you. The Hercules Road Tour 855. Now, we all know that you're looking for tires, you look for a warranty. This has 85,000 mile warranty. I've never heard of a tire. If you have, put your comment down below. 85,000 mile warranty, road hazard coverage, and a 45-day trial. So I guess it's like a mattress. If you don't like them, return them. They're available in like 4,000 stores nationwide. Also, don't forget to check your tire pressure once a month. Use the number inside your driver's door. Check your tread. Rotate your tires. Come on, guys. Let's try to pay attention for what's going on for the winter, because I don't want to see you on the side of the road, because I take pictures of you and I post them on Instagram for people that don't pay attention. Don't forget also that I've got a tip for you. Don't forget to sign up for that Hertz contest. I want to know who wins that Camaro SS. I hope it's one of my subscribers, because we are going to Instagram the heck out of that. That's going to be totally awesome. If you need more details, there's all kinds of articles on my website. And of course, your comments down below. Check out what we've been up to. That Lamborghini Urus drive. So awesome from New York to Buffalo. Like, who gets to drive a $250,000 SUV? I feel like I'm living the Lux life. I'm not, but that's pretty cool. Check out what we're up to, social media down below, and we'll see you next week. Thanks so much for watching.